So we are on a community member's property, and they got a lot of firewood to split. So as some of you guys know, I work with a volunteer wood chopping group. We source local trees that have been felled or have come down from natural causes. We chop it into firewood, then we sell the wood to someone in the community, and then donate the revenue back to local initiatives. Or sometimes we just donate the wood to people that need it. Okie dokie, let's get chopping. Now here's a little wood chopping tip that is going to save you so much time and so much effort. When a lot of people first start chopping wood, they're just kind of taking an axe and hammering at the wood. But it really helps if you can read the wood and see where it wants to split. So if you can see any of these natural cracks, that's where the wood is already starting to open. So if we aim along the line of this crack by splitting above and below and right in it, then hopefully the wood will split. Now it's still going to take effort to chop, but it's going to do it more efficiently. Now this one doesn't have a very big and obvious crack, but if you can see in the center there, there's a little tiny opening. Lovely. So this one has a bunch of tiny little knots, but it also has a crack right in the center there. So let's try to open this up a little bit more. So going above it made it bigger. And let's see, it has kind of two different paths. So let's try to get this one. So now we have the crack all the way to both edges. Nice. Another part about reading the wood is hearing when it's going to split. There's the grain cracking. When a beaver is chewing down a tree, it can hear and feel when the tree is giving way. It'll hear the pops and crackles of the wood fibers breaking apart. And the same goes for chopping wood. You're going to hear more of a thud if your strike didn't break apart any wood fibers. And when you really get the strikes going, you're going to hear a snap, crackle, and pop. Wow. Little beaver sightings. Oh, okay, there it is.
Yeah.
Yep, we got some munch marks.
That one he brought to a pointy tip too.
Yeah, we've got an active beaver logging site. Yeah, I think if we go back up and down that way, we'll see it. Damn. That there's a good dam. Yep, really stopped the water. Good construction. It even looks like it has like some new mud, and also it's a pretty fresh cut.
Let's see. Oh yeah, that's fresh. So it is active.
Yeah.
Must be, right?
Some beaver must have put that there somewhat recently. Yeah. So recently I've been trying to sort of expand my wood repertoire. Repertoire? I've actually never used that word before. That makes it sound way fancier than what it actually is. basically I'm looking through scrap pieces of wood and looking for some pieces that have some potential. So this beam is a bit punky. It's got a lot of soft spots. But if we're able to peel back the layers, it does have some good wood. The beauty of reclaimed wood is that every piece has a story. And it's got a lot more character, which is something you can't buy at a hardware store. And there's something really satisfying about taking a scrap piece of lumber, or something that would have just been firewood, refurbishing it, and giving it a new purpose and a new life. I have no other way to describe this other than pure ADHD. I'm gonna try to make a holder cup thing. I don't have a vise, or I think I do, but I don't know where it is. So we're just gonna kind of try to do something else. Where did I put the The handle I'm using is not handling it very well, so. Okay, I was gonna use this piece, but well. Okay. Okay, I found this. Well, all right. Cool. Now I should get back to the things that I was actually doing. Yeah. Ready? Go, 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 go. Nice! Okay. All right, let's get chopping. So this wood is pretty sappy. It's also got these pitch pockets. So those are also openings in the wood. They're kind of like those cracks, so we're gonna try to split it right there. There's like a little crack there.